Today we will do the letter sounds, the letter sounds, the letter sounds. Today we will do the letter sounds. What letter shall we do? We shall do F today. Okay, F. This is the capital F. This is the lowercase f. We will do today the letter sound of F. F says F. F, 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 F. Your turn. Come on. F, 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 F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for finger and F is for fan. Bye-bye. If you like my video, you have to like, you have to share, and you have to first subscribe it. Okay? Bye-bye.